to add internal notes to a message. Adding internal notes to a message is a great way to give teammates additional information about your customer's needs when you transfer a message. A tutorial on how to transfer a message is linked in the notes below. To add an internal note to a message, select the push pin icon located below your message. Once selected, anything you type into the message box is an internal message that only other teammates will see. Add any helpful information for your teammates to review before assisting the customer. This note will post to the message as an internal note. For more tips on how to use Beetexting for your business, visit beetexting.com.